Hi guys, so today I will show you guys how to make this easy version of yogurt drinks. So at first we pour in 40 ml of this flavor syrup into the blender jar. Next we pour in 30 ml of the Meadow whipping cream. In this episode, the yogurt sauce we are using the Monin Yogurt Powder. So we pour in 25 grams of the Monin Yogurt Powder inside the jar, and then with the 50 ml of the water. Then the last ingredient, we add in 200 grams of the ice inside. Then now we can blend all of the ingredients together. Within a minute, we will have our yogurt drink on our table. Then after we're done, we can pour it into our glass. Ta-da! So this is the drink that I want to share with you guys today, which is the mixed fruit yogurt. Alright guys, so that's our sharing on today. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friend. And I already leave the full recipe and the link for the ingredient at the below. Have a look on it if you want to try it at your home. I'm Blueboy Kenny, your mixologist, and I see you next time. Bye bye.